Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can log in on Westpac. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Westpac. Then click on the first link appeared on your screen, which will lead you to its website. Then you'll see sign in to mobile banking. You have to click on that. Furthermore, you will see these boxes asking for your customer ID and your password. Make sure to enter them correctly. If you have forgotten your customer ID or your password, you can click on Forget Customer ID or Password and recover it. After entering your customer ID and your password correctly, click on Remember Customer ID and click on Sign In. Now your account will be logged in. So this is how you log in to Westpac. Hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.